Hello everyone. So today I got PSVR2 and we're gonna do a little unboxing of it. Let's see how it goes. Well, like any other PlayStation product, they have blue and white. PlayStation 5 product, they have blue and white box. So I bought the bundle one. It has the game Horizon, and well, this is the front of the box, and this is the top. And sorry, my bad. It's the side of the box, and the box it's a bit rough, but that's the one I could find in my local market. So this is the back of the box. They have all the features. It has cutting edge performance, PlayStation VR2 Sense controller. That's a Sense technology, which is a controller, okay, and the quick setup and thrilling new worlds. What is that? Okay, anyways, so it basically they're advertising the games. Okay, so warning and text, and that's the Horizon game screenshot, I guess, and that's the side of the box. That would be the left side of the box, and as you can see, it's compatible with PlayStation, and I think we can run it with the with PC if we have PC adapter for PSVR2. Okay, and then we have the right side. I think I showed the right side already. Okay, so this is the right side, and let's open it. Oh, let me show you the bottom of it. So this is the bottom. So it has PlayStation, and that's the. I think they have like any other product, they have a box inside of it, a little box inside of it as well. So we're gonna open it. It's okay, let me just tear it down. Okay, so now its seal is broken, and we're just gonna, let me just turn on the AC. Okay, so here we are, is the box. Now we're gonna just open it, and let me just flip it. Okay, here's the box. Okay, now like any other product, they have a little box inside of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it out like this, I think. Wait, I think I'm gonna have to pull it like this. Okay, just give me one moment. And okay, let me see, how can we pull it out? So okay, it's just taking a bit of time. It's a bit difficult to pull it out. Okay. All right, so now we got our PlayStation. Oh, sorry, PSVR2. The box is now. Oh, the cable dropped from it while we're pulling the box from a bigger box. Okay, so this is in Type-C cable. We're gonna put it aside, and then the box itself is empty. I don't know why they do it. I mean, it should be in one box. I don't know why. But anyways, okay, let's just see what else inside the box. So first, this dropped from the box when I was trying to pull it from the other big box, and it's a Type-C cable. It's a standard quality that we get with the PS5 controllers. Okay, so next we have, oh, wait a second. Next we have, what is that? It's a box. Oh, it's a game. Got it. So this is the game, and we're gonna have to scratch to see the code of the game. So this is the, oh nice. So this is the cover of the game. We have instruction, okay, how to redeem the code, and then we got, what is that? Oh, a booklet. Wait. Yep, we got a booklet with it. It's an instruction manual, I think. Yeah, it's an instruction manual. Okay, so it's an instruction manual, and it's in different languages as expected. This is the back of the booklet, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Okay, now let's see what else do we have in this box. Okay, so in this game box, that's all it has. It's empty now, and it has the hands-free. Okay, we're gonna see. Okay, so oh, it's for wearing on our neck, I guess. And the quality is it's okay. Yeah, the quality is not that good, to be honest. It's fine, not bad, but I don't know why it was in the box with the game. I don't know. Okay, so it has a standard aux with no mic support. So this aux has no mic support, and we got the earphones. Okay, let's put them aside, and then we got, what do we have? We have the controllers. We have VR2 Sense technology controller. So this is how you wear them, and it has R1 button here. Okay, just R1 button, and R2 button here. Wow, okay, the quality, I mean, these are light. They're light compared to, well, I wouldn't expect the weight of the controller on a single one, but still it's good. The controller. Oh, also they have a joystick. Of course, they have a joystick. So this PlayStation button, this joystick, it's smaller. It's smaller than what we have with my controller. Well, I don't know if I can show you. I have a controller somewhere, but okay. So this is the joystick, but it's smaller. Okay, so you can wear it like this, and the joystick is smaller. I mean, shouldn't be same size as the controller, but anyways, okay. So this is the VR2 Sense technology controllers for VR, and this is the inside of that. This is the inside of the controller. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but this is the inside of the controller. Okay, so, and this is the band you can use to wear it on your hand. Okay, we got circle and X and PlayStation button, and then we got the settings button here. Okay, I mean, my hand's a bit smaller, you know, these are not that big, but it looks good. Okay, so next we got, let me see, second controller. Of course, second controller. Let's just open it. These are pretty light. I was expecting them to be a little bit heavier, but yeah, it's okay. I like the quality of R2. This is better, but the overall quality, I guess it's okay. You know, it's just fine. I don't know. It's just okay. You see, it's anyways, okay. So this is the there's a Type-C cable on both of them. So no, actually they have only one Type-C on the left controller. So they have no Type-C on the, wait a second, no, sorry, my bad. There's a Type-C on the right and left as well. So these are controllers. Now what we're gonna see is, oh, and they also gave us these little earphone padding. I don't know what it's called. So they gave us that. It's gonna go with the earphones that they gave us. So these are the controllers. And now we're gonna open what else inside the box we have. Oh, wait. Is it connected with the, is it already connected with the, oh, It's okay. We're gonna open this. Okay, so okay, let me just put this aside, and let me show you what else in the. There's nothing in the box. So the box is empty, and we can just take it out, right? Okay, let me just show you if we can take it. If we take it out, there's nothing else inside the box. So this is empty, and then we got this is empty as well. Now, if I just open it, let me just take it out of this cover, and okay, so we got our main thing. Okay, so the padding first. Okay, so first I'm gonna as I hold it in my hand, first thing I notice is the padding on this thing. So let's talk about the padding a little bit. I mean, it's okay. The padding is better than Quest 3, and it's okay. Okay, so this is my first impression as well. So I don't think the padding is that bad. Okay, so I don't think the padding is that bad, but it's not that good. I mean, it's okay. Okay, let me just stretch it. I can just push this button and stretch it out, right? This is how it's supposed to work. Okay, also the back. Oh, wait a second. Get locked when I wait. How do I lock it? Oh, so you're gonna have to tie it, you know, like this. Wait, what? No. Okay, so well, this is a basic thing. It has cameras here, camera here, a camera here, and camera here. So this is the top of the device. It's really light. I mean, it's lighter than Quest 3, I think. I don't know. I need to check, but I think it's lighter. Okay, what's this? What's this button? I don't know what this button does. Oh, weird. I don't know. I'll have to check. What's this button does? Does it turn it on? I don't think so. But okay, so turn on button should be at the bottom. Okay, so we have this. I think it's ventilation or something. I don't know. This is the turn on and off button, and I don't know what this button does. Not sure. Okay, so this is the bottom of this VR set. This padding looks really soft. I wonder how it feels when I will wear it. But it looks fine. So you're gonna have to push this button and pull it, and then wear it on your head, and then release. It's gonna automatically try to fit on your head. Okay. And then we have the lens. I don't think I can adjust it from, you know, tilt it. I don't think I can. Oh, also they have these fins here. These are for ventilation. Okay, so ventilation is at top. With the Quest 3, they have ventilation at the bottom. They don't have ventilation at the bottom though. Actually, I think Quest also has a ventilation at top. Okay, so well, overall quality is good. It's okay, and well, that's it. And then we have cable permanently attached to it. With Quest 3, we don't have any cable attached to it. I guess it's because that is supposed to be, Quest 3 is supposed to be like in standalone VR headset, while it's not. It's a VR connected headset, so it makes sense to connect to, for them to add the cable permanently attached to it. And so it's a Type-C cable that's gonna attach with our PlayStation. I wonder if the performance is different with PlayStation Pro and PlayStation 5. It's supposed to be different, right? So I don't know. So this is the cable. Let me just let me just. Okay, so this is a cable. It's a pretty good quality cable. It's a pretty good quality cable, you know. It's way better than what we have with our controller and everything, but it's permanently connected to our headset, so we cannot. I think we cannot use it with any other device. So this is the I think this is to adjust the. Oh yeah, of course. This is to adjust the distance between our eyes, right? Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, so I think I'm not sure if you guys can clearly see it. Oh, okay, you guys can clearly see it now. So this is to adjust the eye distance. So this one has eye tracking, which is nice, right? Quest 3 doesn't have it. But yeah, that's basically it. You know, as you can see, I'm handling it pretty roughly, and it looks fine to me. I am not. See, I wonder what this button does. I'm gonna have to check. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You have sides. This padding looks really nice. You know, padding looks really nice. And there's also have padding here on your forehead, for your forehead. Okay, so it's for your forehead, and that's for this padding is for your back of the head, of course. And that's it pretty much. Oh, also they have this sensor. I think it's an infrared sensor. I don't know. I'm not completely sure of it. Also the lens. I think the lens are different than what we have with the Quest 3. These are not pancake lenses. I don't think so. But yeah, this is inside of the inside of our visor. It's called visor, right? Okay, so that is. Oh, also the cable. Wait a second. Is that a cable? Is that a cable here? What is that? Wait. So it has a cable here. That's weird. Can I detach it? Huh. This is a cable here. Okay. So I guess we cannot detach this cable, but this looks nice. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if it looks nice, but I don't know why it's for. This design is pretty much nice. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. Not now, but I'm gonna test it in my next videos. I'm gonna show you the difference between Quest 3 and this. So I have these sides as well. I don't know why they have these sides. Not sure why we have the silicone sides. Okay, so that's pretty much it basically. And it looks fine. The quality is fine, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next unboxing video. Okay.